whip them real hard. Because it may sound inhumane, but the donkeys weren't that excited about going west. So that's it. I'll be the, they call them mule skinners. I'll be the mule guy, and I'll play the part of that, and he'll play a part of the donkey. Okay, you ready?
Clippity clop, clippity clop, clippity 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 clopping along.
See, I don't sing, it's a record.
There's a blood shot of Aki for a rancher in Corona, a guitar for a cowboy way out in Arizona, a crystal telescope for a pretty Navajo. Get along, you. Get along.
It's all timing, perfect timing with the crack.
You train, high, high. You train, clippity-clopping through the wind and rain. They'll keep going till they drop. Clippity-clop, clippity-clop, clippity-clippity, clippity-clippity, clippity-clopping along. There's a letter full of shabby shoes like around the border, a pair of boots with someone who had to make the order, a Bible in the pack for the Reverend Mr. Black. Get along, yeah! Get along, get along.
You ready? Hey. Yeah.
So go to Access Hollywood.